Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very popular Vietnamese dish known as chicken pho. It is usually prepared with some chicken broth, rice noodles and different kinds of herbs. So without any further delays, let's dive into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course some rice stick noodles or the pho noodles. And here I have about 375 grams of it. For the chicken, I am using chicken boneless thigh pieces, and here I have 6 pieces of chicken thigh. Next, I need 1 whole onion, which I have diced into 2 parts, 4 cloves of garlic, and about an inch of ginger. For the spices, I have 2 star anise, about 4 to 5 cloves. Next, I have a few cardamoms, around 5, 2 sticks of cinnamon, and about a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. If you want, you can go in for regular sugar also. Next, I have 4 chicken stock cubes. Next, for garnish, I have few leaves of coriander. Next, some red chilies which I have thinly sliced. About 3 sticks of spring onion, again chopped, and a few pieces of lemon. So I'm going to start off by char grilling my onions, ginger, and garlic. It's been about a minute now, and I'm going to turn them around. And I'm going to again grill them on the other side for about 2 minutes. It's been another minute now. I'm going to remove the ginger and the garlic and let the onions cook for another minute. It's been another minute and I have removed the onions and they are ready. Next, I'm going to roast in my spices. For that, I'm going to add in the cinnamon sticks, cardamoms, clove, star anise, and roast them for about 2 minutes. The main reason for roasting the spices are it releases the aroma more, and it's about a minute now, and I'm going to add in the coriander seeds to it, and I'm going to roast them again for another minute. It's been another minute, so in total 2 minutes, and my spices are all roasted, and I'm going to remove it now. Now in the stock pot, I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to add in the chicken pieces. Along with the char grilled vegetables, onion, garlic and ginger, and the roasted spices. And I'm going to add in about 2 liters of water to it now. And I'm also going to add in the chicken stock cubes. Give it a quick mix. And I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes now. It's been about 15 minutes now, and I had stirred in between quite a few times. And as you can see, the chicken is almost done. And I'm going to add in the fish sauce at this moment along with the brown sugar. A quick mix, and I'll also check in the seasoning. I didn't add in any salt only because the chicken stock cubes and fish sauce already has a lot of salt in it. So I'm going to check it now and adjust it accordingly. I'll need another quarter spoon of salt. I'm going to add it and a final mix. And I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. And while the stock is getting ready, I'm going to start with the noodles now. To boil the noodles, I have added water in my pot. To it, I'm going to add in some salt and few drops of oil and allow the water to come to a boil. My stock has been cooking for another 5 minutes and the chickens look well done, so I'm going to remove them now. And now I'm going to cut the chicken pieces. My water for the noodles is ready. As you can see, it has come to a boil, and I'm going to switch off the gas at this point and add in the rice noodles. And I'm going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes in this hot water. Try to immerse all the noodles. And I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. And the pho stock is also ready. So I'm going to switch off this gas and move on to assembling my pho. It's been 2 minutes now and my noodles look well cooked. So first in my bowl, I'm going to add in the cooked noodles. Next, I'm going to add in the chicken pieces. Next, I'm going to add in the stock to it, but I'm going to strain it right into the bowl. I really like a good amount of the stock. Next, I'm going to add in some freshly chopped spring onions, some coriander leaves, and some red chilies. A sprinkle of lemon, a little bit of my homemade chili oil. This is completely optional, and a dash of hoisin sauce. If you need the recipe for chili oil, I have a video for it and I'm going to add it in the description box below. And my chicken Vietnamese pho is ready to be served. My chicken pho is ready, and you all just saw how easy it was to prepare. It is a kind of household dish in Vietnam. Do give it a try in your kitchen and I'm sure you're going to love it. And on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.